Let's look at how to write a business plan in order to get funding. Number 1. Write an executive summary. An executive summary should give a clear overview of your business, its goals, and its plans for achieving those goals. Think of it as the elevator pitch for your business plan. You need to be able to summarize your entire business in just a few paragraphs. Include the business concept, the market opportunity, the team, and the financials. You'll also need to include a brief description of your product or service and your target customers. Keep it concise, keep it relevant, and make sure it gives potential investors a clear idea of what your business is all about. Number 2, describe your company. This should include key information such as your business's registered name, address, and the names of key personnel. Additionally, it is important to highlight any unique skills or technical expertise that your team members may possess. Furthermore, your company description should also define your business structure and include information on ownership percentages and owner involvement. Lastly, it is also beneficial to cover the history of your company as well as the current state of your business. Number 3, state your business goals. If you're looking for a business loan or outside investment, this section will come in handy. You can use it to explain why you have a clear need for the funds, how the money will help your business grow, and how you are going to reach your targets. Number 4, describe your products and services. This section should include the pricing for your product or service, an explanation of how your product or service works, the types of customers you market to, your sales strategy, your order fulfillment strategy, and the distribution strategy. All of this information is critical in helping potential investors understand your business and decide whether or not to provide funding. So don't skip this step. Take the time to describe your products and services in detail. Number 5, market research. This section is important because you need to know who your competition is and how you are going to do better. For example, if you are selling a product, you need to explain how your product is different from or better than the product of your competitors. Market research is important because it allows you to create a unique selling proposition for your business. Number 6, outline your marketing and sales plan. Without a solid plan for marketing and selling your product or service, your business is likely to fail. So, what should you include in your marketing and sales plan? First, you'll need to identify your target market. Who are you selling to? What needs does your product or service meet? Once you've identified your target market, you can begin developing a marketing mix that will resonate with them. This may include traditional advertising methods like print or broadcast ads, as well as more modern approaches like content marketing or social media advertising. Number 7, financial analysis. If you're a new business, you may not have a lot of data on your financials yet. However, if you've been in business for a long time, you'll want to include income or profit and loss statements, a balance sheet with your debts and assets, and a cash flow statement. All this information will give potential investors a clear picture of your company's financial health. Before I move on to the last step, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 8, financial projections. This is an important part of your business plan if you're needing investors. This will explain how your business will make enough money to repay the loan or how your business will earn a good return for investors. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.